Remember the love we shared in the past, our sweet talk, our laughter, our smiles. I still remember everything. Nothing could ever compare to our love. Remember the love we had in our younger days, when our heart first learned to build a home together. You were young and handsome, I was young and beautiful. We had just met, and still to this day I remember. Time moves quickly, year after year. Now when I look in the mirror, I see I'm no longer young, my dear friend. Remember our love from long ago, when you came to stay with me. And in the quiet of the night, we lingered, just us two. Now our bodies have grown old, but our hearts remain young. Though we cannot turn back time, our love lives on.